The evolution of war, from human strategy to machine precision. For millennia, war has been defined by human strategy, physical courage, and the ability to think and act in the heat of battle. From ancient swordsmen to modern-day generals, combat has been an intensely human affair. But in recent decades, a new force has emerged that is completely transforming the face of war. This force is artificial intelligence. The first step in the AI revolution came not with the machines themselves, but with the data. From satellite images to intercepted communications, military powers realized that AI could analyze vast amounts of information in real time, providing a new layer of decision-making ability, and that's when everything began to change. But what does this really mean for the future of combat? The battlefield of today is no longer about human intuition, but about precision, speed, and machine learning. Let's take a deeper dive into how AI is being integrated into the battlefield and how it is starting to take control of key decisions. Autonomous machines. The rise of AI in combat. Today, we're seeing a shift towards autonomous systems that can act independently of human operators. Drones equipped with AI are now conducting reconnaissance and targeting operations with minimal human oversight. In fact, in some cases, these drones are making the kill decisions themselves. Take, for example, the conflict in Nagorno-Karabakh. In 2020, both sides used drones not only for surveillance, but also for autonomous strikes. AI systems were able to identify targets, assess threats, and launch attacks all without direct human control. But this raises an important question. If a machine decides to attack and a mistake occurs, who is responsible? Let's explore the implications of autonomous weapons systems. We're talking about machines that can choose their targets, deploy deadly force, and even adapt to changing conditions without a single human commander in the loop. The case studies. AI in recent conflicts. Nagorno-Karabakh wasn't the only place where a AI-driven warfare was tested. From the Middle East to Southeast Asia, AI is being integrated into military operations on a scale never before seen. In 2019, AI-powered drones were used extensively in the conflict in Libya, where they performed precision strikes against enemy positions, guided by AI algorithms that could analyze terrain, weather, and other environmental factors to make split-second decisions. But it's not just about drones. Ground forces are now deploying robots that can navigate hostile terrain, deliver supplies, or even engage in combat. These machines, powered by AI, are revolutionizing the way war is fought. But they also raise concerns. Are we creating a new breed of soldiers that have no moral compass, the AI soldier, redefining the role of humans in war? As AI systems become more autonomous, the role of human soldiers is being redefined. In the past, soldiers were the ones who made crucial decisions on the battlefield. Now, much of that responsibility is being transferred to machines. Imagine a scenario where an army is entirely composed of autonomous drones and robotic soldiers. The human element in the battlefield starts to fade away, replaced by algorithms that can execute complex tactics in fractions of a second. Does this make us safer, or does it create a new set of problems? Will we become mere operators, pushing buttons from miles away while machines fight our wars for us? We must ask ourselves, in a world dominated by AI, what is the purpose of human soldiers? What happens to the concept of bravery, of sacrifice, of honor, when the battle is fought by machines? And the ethics of autonomous warfare. With great power comes great responsibility. And the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI in warfare are enormous. Can we, as a society, trust machines to make life and death decisions? When an AI system makes a mistake, who is accountable? Is it the developer who programmed the machine, the commander who deployed it, or is it the system itself? This new form of warfare forces us to rethink concepts like responsibility and accountability. Moreover, what happens when this technology falls into the wrong hands? Autonomous weapons, in the wrong hands, could become instruments of terror. Terrorist groups, rogue states, or criminal organizations could deploy these machines, leading to chaos and mass destruction. The tactical advantage. Why AI makes a difference. The advantages of AI in warfare are undeniable. AI can process millions of variables in real time, making split-second decisions that would be impossible for human commanders. The ability to predict enemy movements, deploy troops strategically, Engage targets with surgical precision makes AI a game changer on the battlefield. Consider this. AI can manage entire battlefields, analyzing data from sensors, satellites, and ground forces to create a comprehensive view of the operational environment. It can then make decisions in real time, often before a human could even assess the situation. This is not just a matter of efficiency. It's about a new form of warfare where the victor is determined by who has the best algorithm, the fastest machine, and the most powerful data system. But what happens to creativity, adaptability, and the human touch in this new world? Preparing for the future. What's next for AI in warfare? As we look to the future, the question is no longer if AI will dominate warfare, but when. Autonomous machines are set to become the new soldiers of tomorrow, and military powers are investing billions into AI technologies to ensure they remain at the cutting edge. What does this mean for the future of war? Will we see entire armies of drones, AI-controlled tanks, and robotic soldiers? Will humans be relegated to the sidelines, operating machines from safe distances? And how will we navigate the growing moral complexities of AI in warfare? Conclusion: the battle for humanity's future. The rise of AI in warfare is not just a technological shift. It's a philosophical and moral one. As machines begin to make life-or-death decisions, we must ask ourselves, what kind of future do we want? A future where technology defines our fate, or a future where we, as humans, continue to control the destiny of nations? This is the invisible war, where the true battlefield is not just the front lines, but the ethical and philosophical decisions that we, as a society, must make. The question remains, will we be the masters of AI, or will AI become the master of us?